Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful fall look. So the first product I used today was actually by Riva, and I am a huge fan of this palette. It has all types of lovely shimmery shades and matte shades in it, and I also like the fact that I could use the palette to achieve as many looks as I like. So I blend the brown shade from the palette into my crease, and I took the other shade from the Huda Beauty Obsession palette and blend that in as my transitional shade to deepen my crease. And also I used the Huda Beauty concealer to cut my crease, and I applied the orange shade from the Obsession palette on my lids. So when I'm done with that, I took the brownish stroke reddish shade from the same palette and I applied that very close to the orange shade I applied earlier, and I moved on by applying the darker shade that I used as my transitional shade in my outer V. So that's all I did so far, and the look is complete. So yeah, that's all I did so far, and I also applied my eyeliner by Huda Beauty. It's the Huda Beauty Lifeliner, and I really like this eyeliner. It lasted all day. The first time that I tried it, I said I was going to, update you guys about the eyeliner, and I'm quite impressed with the fact that I can wear it all day without worrying about flaking or smudging whatsoever. So yeah, I also took the shade from the Obsession palette, the golden shade from the Obsession palette. I applied that in my inner corner. That's all I did so far, and that was the eyeliner by Huda Beauty. It's called the Lifeliner. Yeah, I really like this eyeliner a lot. And next I move on to my face. I applied my eyelashes off camera because I just thought, well, it's the same process all the time. So yeah, I moved on to my face by applying the Bella Perry I said face primer, so the HD face primer. So yeah, I applied the Too Faced Peach foundation. This foundation is actually very lightweight, so it's not a kind of full coverage foundation. If you want that full coverage look, you have to build it up. So yeah, I move on by applying my concealer by NARS. It's their Radiant Cream Concealer. I applied that on all the areas that I needed to highlight. So when I'm done with that, I blend that in and set my face using the Milk Makeup setting powder. That's actually another one of my favorite products as well. It's very lightweight on the skin and there's no flashback whatsoever. So yeah, after that I moved on by contouring my face using one of my favorite contour products by Huda Beauty. Guys, watch that. I'm sure you scream like, this is too much, Lillian, but watch as this product blends into my skin effortlessly. Look at that. It blends into my skin effortlessly. Like seriously, I am a huge fan. I really quite like the fact that this contour kit is the perfect shade for me in my opinion, and I like the fact that it blends into my skin without any patchy look or whatsoever, and everything else lies nicely on the apply nicely on the contour. So yeah, I moved on by applying my Fenty Beauty highlighter. This is also one of my favorite. It's not too bad power, it's just on the moderate side. You can wear it to work if you like, because it's not that power highlighter. It's just a cool toned highlighter by Fenty Beauty. I guess it's called Kilawati. I'll check the name and give you guys the details in my description box. Then last but not the least, I set my face with the Health I set my face with the Urban Decay setting spray, and voila, next with the lip, which is by Elf. I would also leave the details of that in my description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for all your support. Let me know what you guys think about this look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.